More trouble for Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi's pet project in Dholera town of Ahmedabad district. Farmers there say the state government is resorting to pressure tactics to acquire their land for industrial purpose. Rohit Bhan reports.
Farmers threatening to agitate against the proposed Dholera special investment region. In Modi's Gujarat, 3 mega projects have been hit by roadblocks in less than 3 years. The latest standoff between the farmers of 22 villages and the state government is over one of Gujarat Chief Minister's pet projects, an ambitious industrial cluster in Ahmedabad district.
ખેડૂતો અને સ્થાનિક લોકો એકલા ખેડૂતો નહીં સ્થાનિક લોકો પશુપાલકો ખેત મજૂરોના 22 ગામમાં રહેનારા લોકો અથવા જ્યાં જ્યાં આ કાયદો લાગુ પડે ત્યાંના ગ્રામ્ય વિસ્તારના લોકો માટે આ કાયદામાં કોઈ જોગવાઈ જ નથી.
These farmers allege that the government is resorting to pressure tactics by denotifying the region from the Narmada command area. This means the entire area is left without irrigation water.
इस एरिया में से 30,000 हेक्टेयर जमीन जो नर्मदा के कमांड में थी वो सब निकाल दिया और किसानों को बताया गया कि अब तुमको नर्मदा का पानी नहीं मिलेगा. ये एंटी नेशनल है, एंटी फार्मर है और किसी को उसका अधिकार नहीं है.
But even as farmers up the ante, threatening to bring their protest to the Chief Minister's doorstep in Gandhinagar, the Modi government has refused to comment. The state's land acquisition policies for industries have become a major flashpoint in the last few years. In 2010, the farmers blocked Nirma cement plant in Bhavnagar, which allegedly encroached upon a water body. The state government was forced to withdraw its order on land allotment after an intervention from the Supreme Court. Last year too, farmers protested against a special investment region in North Gujarat, which resulted in yet another backtracking by the government. Now farmer leaders from earlier agitations have decided to lend their support to the Dholera farmers. These protests perhaps taking the sheen of Modi's vibrant Gujarat at a time when he is bracing for the crucial 2014 Lok Sabha elections. With Rajiv Pathak in Ahmedabad, Rohit Bhan for NDTV.